So let's quickly go over what we covered in this module. First, we talked about signing, what it is, and why we need to do that for Android, and some considerations of signing in regards to the Android marketplace. Assuming that you're going to deploy your app there are some rules that we needed to follow. Then we talked about exporting from Eclipse. We went through a quick demo of how to do that, and we saw that it was really easy, and the preferred method is if we can export and sign our application automatically from Eclipse, it makes things a lot easier for us. But we also looked at manually signing our application. We went through all the steps to do that, and here I've put all of the commands that we used to do that. We had to remember to make sure that the Java bin directory was in our path so that we could access these tools from the command line. And then for the zip line tool, we needed to make sure that the Android tools was in our path. And we didn't need to use these very often, but when you do need to manually sign them, it's good to know how to do that. And then we talked a little bit about ProGuard. We went into in depth about what ProGuard is and why we would use it. And then I give you a demonstration of how to actually use ProGuard. And it's actually really simple to do from inside of Eclipse. So that's all that we're going to cover in this first part of the deployment module. In the second part, we'll go ahead and look a little bit more in depth at an Android license manager tool that can help secure your application. And then finally, we'll go through actually doing the deployment in the Android market.